What's going on, everybody? It's Crazy Cars here, back with another video. Today is day number 10 of Crazy Carsmas, and today I'm going to be doing a room tour, as you can see. So you walk in, here's the door there, as you can see. Come in. I am not recording. You may enter. YouTube logo there, recording sign with a bunch of confetti, Crazy Cars Canada, black outline. On the back, it just flips over from a hook there. Shush, I'm recording in progress. Do not enter. Recording symbol there. Crazy Cars Canada. Confetti again with a black border and the YouTube symbol. So, yeah, let's walk on in. And, yeah, here we go. Okay, everybody, so when you walk in, right behind the door, we have a nice Plains Fire and Rescue poster there with Cabby, Blade, Dipper, Avalanche, Dusty Cropper himself, Dynamite, Blackout, Windlifter, and Pinecone. Pinecone didn't really speak in the movie, I don't think, but yeah. And I'm sorry beforehand if you don't like the green color of the walls. It wasn't my decision, it was my parents, because this was originally a guest room, but I turned it into my recording studio. So yeah, if you don't like it, leave a like on this video, and if you do like it, also leave a like on this video, okay? And you know, I wanted to get a little Christmassy, so I got this, a little snowman advent calendar with a string, and there's like a, so today is the 22nd, so see the star there, yeah, put that there, and yeah, it's a little hanging. These guys are like little plushy stuffies, whatever you call them. Here I do love hockey, so I have mini sticks right there. When I'm uploading a video, I just put the iPad right there, and I play mini sticks around it. Here, we have a Maple Leaf sign that does light up. If you don't like flashing lights or bright lights. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that just hurts my eyes. Oh my gosh. Maple Leafs, you see? Toronto Maple Leafs, my favorite hockey team. Let's shut this off before anybody gets a seizure here. Oh, thank you. This guy, Mr. Moosey, or reindeer, his antlers with lights on them. So he has a little hat there. He's really cute. He's a plushie. He's very soft. And he has a nice little colored scarf. And if we actually turn him on, he has a nice little surprise. And yeah, ready? And he can bite your finger. Yum, yum, yum. So yeah, now we shut him off so we don't waste his batteries. I got him a while ago, like an actual while ago. And if you guys do know the Peanuts, if you guys are a big Peanuts fan like I am, and no, I'm not talking about like Peanuts, like the food Peanuts. I mean like Snoopy, you know, Charlie Brown, those kind of Peanuts, you know? Charlie Brown's Christmas tree there. You can see it's the Peanuts with Snoopy there. Peanuts. There's my turntable. Case for a car. There we go. Perfect. Oh, branch fell off. It's okay, I'll fix that after. That there. So for example, if I just grab Sheriff. But I go really slow. Stuff to make it more dramatic. Okay. And here I have some soccer ball tape. And yeah. So it's just a normal tape roll with soccer ball kind of covering it with the soccer player with the cutting thing right there. That's what I used for my packaging. Lava lamp. Pretty cool. How do I turn this? What? How do I turn this on? There we go. Woo! It changes colors. Pretty cool, yeah. I like it. Okay, come on. Shut up, please. Alright, then here I do have an extra roll of tape in case this runs out. And then here, I have a flashlight in case it gets dark or something, but just for emergencies. There I have some tree covers, or like holders for those Christmas trees stuff. There's no Easter egg in this one, so you don't have to worry. So yeah. And then here are my Funko Pops. So I got all of these from my friend. If he's watching this, he doesn't know who he is. His mom took us out shopping one day and we just got some Funko Pops. But these were from a different time. So my first ever Funko Pop, Rex from Fortnite. Then my second ever, Slinky Dog from Toy Story. Then Lightning McQueen, amazing. And Sidney Crosby, because I love hockey. They didn't have Austin Matthews or like John Tavares or Mitch Marner, so that's kind of bummer. But it's okay, because I still love hockey. Sidney Crosby's Canadian, I'm Canadian. It's a perfect match. And then here's my toy chest. Lightning McQueen, like Piston Cup stuff. The premiere of Racing Championships. Speed, I'm Speed on the side. It does open up. Like, I don't know if you guys could see it, but there's a lot of cars in there, like Hot Wheel cars, stuff. For example, there's one. And there. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Now it's time for my town. Oh yeah, I just have that for some reason. I don't know. Now it's time for the town. Of course, you guys know the town. Mater's, the stuff. Sally's. The lights are dangling off still. Crazy Cars podcast. Not 100% sure if I'm doing that on Christmas. I might, but I'm going to have a backup video planned for that. So yeah, Ramones and stuff. And then there's those guys. There's Cone Teeth Mater. Yeah, he's pretty cool. Yeah, that's the town. If I come over here, still going to do this over the Christmas break. I have the track with all the racers. Praying the zoom. Ready? Zoom, 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 zoom. Say it with me. Vroom, 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 zoom, 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 zoom. One more time. On 3. 1, 2, 3. Vroom, zoom, 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 vroom, 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 zoom, zoom. Yeah, that's that. And yeah, I got all the fans, like all the other racers. These aren't all the cars, don't worry. I have a lot more. Come over here. Oh yeah, we do have some windows. Nice windows. I do have a TV with a Cars game. Does not actually. It does work actually, but I don't really play it. Here we have the veterans, the old veterans, showing who's boss to the Thunder Hollow Racers. We have Weedly. Sorry if there's barking in the background. That's my mascot, Charlie. I'll put a picture up on screen. Top left, probably. He's really cute. I love him. He's a Maltipoo, 2 years old. He's excited for Christmas. Smokey there. Come over here. We do actually have 2 vents. And then here on the guest bed, I know it stinks. We have some Halloween costumes. Get rid of those. Oh yeah, I was a shark. And then I was also a panda. For 2 costumes for double candy. Perfect. And then here is the XRS track. So and then like you like slam it. And like it's better on the ground. And like McQueen goes flying. He's wheeling on it. Here we have 2 old haulers, Max. It's kind of weird how they're both Max, but it's fine. Then we have the soccer net and soccer ball. Radiator springs with the Cars cases. A little bit heavy. As you can see, like, I have some cars. These aren't my best condition ones. Actually, one sec. I really don't want to keep this guy out. Nigel Gearsley. Sorry, man. No. Got to go into the case. I don't want to play with you now. Okay, I'm sorry. Hate to break it to you, man. There we go. So it's a Cars 2-in-1. I have a Monster Jam one because I also love monster trucks. Here, I have big guys and guys I don't really use. So yeah, enough of those guys. More vents. It's pitch black outside, as you guys can see. We have the TV. With reflection, of course. Yay. Oh god, I gotta sort this out one day. This is just like, I could like, who am I gonna pull out? Comment. Who do you think I'm gonna pull out? Which car? Ready? 3, 2, 1. If you guess Michael Roeder, comment down below. It's insane. I've been collecting cars since like April of last year. My first ever one I got, that I kept actually. I can't find him. It was Van Scanlon. If you guys don't know who Van Scanlon is, it's this guy. This big guy. Ooh. Yeah. Go check out his review. Ah! What happened? They got stuck together? What is this? Alright. And if we walk up. Oh, Soxies. So yeah, we got some big guys in there. Oh yeah, the case also has radiator springs on it. The case right there. Then we also have mini guys, like color changers and mini guys, and a checklist there. Don't need to know that. And now it's time for some stuffies. I don't know if you guys know, but I do love stuffies. I have 129 of them. Yes, I know, it's kind of embarrassing. I only sleep with one. Don't worry, just one. His name's Monkey. He's really awesome. Leafer. His name's Leafer, yeah. There we have a bunch of storage. TV. It does turn on. Well, that noise isn't very pleasant. Never mind, we're not going to do that for now. Cars for Cars movie. Yes, I was going to plan on doing a Cars movie. I still might. But yeah, I just put paper towel everywhere. There's Fabulous McQueen, Doc Hudson, some props. Not that hard for that. Then more Cars for Cars movie. Yeah, just put like, do a 0.0 for like for Jackson Cruz. And then there's also Lightning McQueen right there. Sorry after knocking on the door. I don't even know what that is. Alright, so then if we go here. Yes, I did label some of them. So like there I have Long Bad Heyday Smokey. And I have Rusty Lightning McQueen. He's actually probably my favorite car. He's a very awesome die-cast. 1.55 scale model. And yeah, I do have some extra tracks in there, like the not Florida 500. So I have that thing. I don't know what that is. It's supposed to be motorized or something. Leafer, get out the shot, man. Come on, man. And then I also have the Tokyo Speedway. Look at this guy. I love just jumping on him sometimes. And then I have like this Stanco 400. Okay, Leafer, really, man, we gotta talk. We gotta talk, Leafer. Here. You gotta get out the shot, man. Come on. Sorry. If you want to see stuffy adventures, comment down below. And video games. If you guys have any suggestions on cars I should review, let me know. Because that would be amazing. Yeah. What was your favorite part? Let me know down below. And if you did enjoy, please do consider subscribing. Leave a like on this video. Commenting, sharing, and joining with any friends. And yeah! That will wrap up this video on my room tour. This isn't a collection review. Robin Tails Fighter, I know you're watching this. Yeah, no, it's not a collection review. Don't worry. I think it was Robin Tails Fighter that commented. Sorry if I got your name wrong, but you know who you are, okay? Yeah, ugh, that hurt my eyes. So yeah, see that like Lightning McQueen wheel? Yeah, that's the game. Alright, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys all next time. Happy holidays.